Hey everyone, I'm going to be taking you through a great exercise to help mobilize and open up your upper back and your chest. This is called thread the needle. So it's the perfect antidote to sitting at the desk, hunching over and closing off the chest or looking down at a phone. We're all probably guilty of doing that. So on all fours, spreading out the hands, little bend in the elbows so we're not locking out and dumping into the neck or into our lower back here. Nice, strong and stable. Leaning the weight onto that left hand, soft elbow so you're not hyperextending. We'll breathe in and take the right arm up. Breathe out, look down, bend that left elbow and slide the right hand behind that left hand, reaching through. Breath in, reaching up, push into the floor with that left hand. Exhale, looking down, left elbow bends. Threading, you might be on the forearm, you might be able to slide down to your shoulder. Breathe in, reach it up. Breathe out, thread the needle. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Exhale. Continuing deep, deep breaths. We're keeping those shoulders drawing down the back. Lovely deep breaths into the lower ribs, middle ribs, upper ribs, expanding the back of the body and into the sides. And let's bring that right hand down. Give your shoulders a roll. Good, and let's go to the other side. You can have your toes tucked under or your toes pointing back. Leaning onto that right hand, not hyperextending that right elbow or dropping into the shoulder. Breathe in, push down with the right hand, left arm goes up. Exhale, look down, right elbow bends as you thread, keeping the arm, that left arm close to that right arm as you slide through. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Big inhale as you reach up and open, reaching for the sky. Exhale, empty out the breath. Breathe in. It matters not if you're getting the shoulder to the floor, the elbow is fine. Just take it to where you can and you'll notice with practice that your movement will probably go further in time. Be patient, especially when working with injuries. Good, let's bring that left hand down. And again, just roll the shoulders, kind of like a choo-choo train, shifting forwards and back as your shoulders lift up, as the rib cage shifts forwards, back, and up and down, and change direction. So that was Thread the Needle. Thank you, everyone, and enjoy.